Hey, it's James Smith here, and today, I'm thrilled to share something extraordinary with you. Have you ever dreamed of financial freedom without the headaches of traditional online business models? Well, look no further than the Yellow Brick Formula, a 5-day workshop personally led by the master himself, Sean Donahoe. It's your chance to acquire a skill that can set you up for life. Now, here's the twist. When you click the link in the description to grab this incredible opportunity, you're not only investing in yourself, but you're also in for a treat. Stick around until the very end of this video because I've lined up a set of exclusive bonuses that will make your journey to financial security even more exciting. You won't want to miss out on what I have in store for you, so let's dive right in. Introducing the Yellow Brick Formula, a 5-day immersive workshop guided by Sean Donahoe, dedicated to equipping you with a single, life-changing skill that leads to enduring financial security. This innovative approach sidesteps the complexities of conventional business models, product development, and marketing strategies. Day 1 catapults you into the world of solopreneurship, centered around mastering one essential skill. Regardless of your experience level, whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, this skill can unlock your path to financial independence. The ultimate goal? Establishing a steady stream of online income in just 60 minutes a day, leaving you with the freedom to pursue your personal passions. Day 2 delves deep into the dynamic cryptocurrency landscape, unveiling strategies for uncovering hidden opportunities. You'll learn to identify and track emerging microcaps, those lesser-known cryptocurrencies primed for remarkable growth. In addition, you'll become proficient in risk management and validation techniques to ensure the strength of your investment choices. Day 3 is dedicated to building enduring wealth without the weight of financial concerns. Discover how to generate consistent profits and access a secret strategy that can multiply your returns. The aim? Establishing a scalable, profitable microcap trading business while maintaining a sense of predictability. On Day 4, it's time to put your strategies into action. Together, we'll hunt for deals, applying a comprehensive pre-trade checklist to minimize risks and validate your choices. By the end of the day, you'll be equipped to transform these actions into a daily, profitable routine. The final day is all about celebrating your accomplishments and charting the course ahead. One fortunate participant will be awarded a $1,000 success prize, and we'll discuss the ongoing journey toward financial freedom and independence. The core of the Yellow Brick Formula business model lies in identifying undiscovered microcap coins, validating them, executing well-planned trading strategies, and compounding your profits. With just 60 minutes of effort each day, you can establish this business model, potentially securing a lifetime of worry-free income. Now let's see how this business model works. Firstly, the formula scouts for new microcap coins, identifying them before they hit the mainstream radar. This is achieved by tapping into insider sources and meticulously tracking early crypto launches. These hidden gems represent the foundation of your financial journey. Once these coins are pinpointed, a rigorous validation and verification process ensues. A comprehensive checklist is employed to minimize risks, ensuring that only the most promising coins with the potential for substantial gains make the cut. With validated opportunities in hand, the strategy kicks into high gear. Early investments are made according to a meticulously crafted trading plan. The goal? To capitalize on the explosive growth of these selected coins over a relatively short time frame, maximizing returns. But the Yellow Brick Formula doesn't stop there. Profits are systematically compounded, fueling the growth of true passive income streams. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, it's a blueprint for long-term financial security. What's truly remarkable about this approach is its simplicity and efficiency. In under 60 minutes a day, you can set up this business model, requiring no specialized skills beyond the core crypto investing strategy taught. As you master this single skill, it opens the door to hands-off income for life, freeing you from the shackles of financial worry. Wondering if Yellow Brick Formula is right for you? This program caters to a diverse audience, making it a versatile option for various needs and skill levels. If you're a complete beginner looking to start a simple, profitable online business without complications, Yellow Brick Formula provides the guidance you need. Similarly, if you're an online business owner struggling to find new income streams, this program offers a fresh perspective. Additionally, it's a valuable resource for existing traders seeking an advantage in identifying promising new cryptocurrencies early. For those desiring financial flexibility without the worries of economic uncertainties, Yellow Brick Formula is designed to help achieve that goal. Is Yellow Brick Formula a scam? That's a valid concern in the world of online business opportunities. However, after thorough research, there are no major red flags suggesting any deceitful practices. The program is backed by a real individual, Sean Donahoe, with a proven track record of successful businesses. The core crypto investing strategy taught is logical and has demonstrated its effectiveness. Numerous positive reviews and success stories from actual students vouch for its legitimacy. Yellow Brick Formula provides realistic income expectations, delivers genuine value through its training, and doesn't push for recruitment or affiliate sales commissions. Pricing is reasonable, with mostly one-time access fees. In summary, Yellow Brick Formula appears to be a legitimate opportunity for those looking to navigate the cryptocurrency market and achieve financial growth. But before we part ways, I've got something extraordinary to unveil, exclusively for you. When you make the smart decision to invest in this product through the link I've thoughtfully provided in the description, you're not just acquiring an outstanding product, you're also gaining access to a vault of handpicked, exclusive bonuses, personally chosen by me to enhance your journey. Take a moment to explore these one-of-a-kind offerings displayed on the screen right now, and when you're ready, simply click that link to claim them all. Your path to success is about to be adorned with these exceptional rewards, and I can't wait to see you benefit from this unique experience. Thank you once again, and here's to your extraordinary journey ahead.